Want to make extra money using AI, even if you have zero experience? In 2025, you don't need to be a tech expert or a coder to start a side hustle. Thanks to powerful AI tools, you can automate content, create products, and even sell services, all from your laptop. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start today, with no background required. Let's dive in. First up is one of the easiest and most in-demand AI side hustles, content writing. With tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI, you can generate high-quality blog posts, product descriptions, email campaigns, and social media content in minutes. Businesses, bloggers, and agencies are constantly looking for written content, and now, I can help you deliver it faster than ever. You can start offering services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn, and let the AI do most of the heavy lifting. Not a designer? Doesn't matter. With Canva AI and Leonardo AI, you can create stunning graphics, even if you've never touched Photoshop. You can design YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, logos, print-on-demand merch, and more using drag-and-drop templates and AI-generated art. Offer your services to content creators, small businesses, or e-commerce sellers. Or start your own Etsy or Redbubble store, selling AI-enhanced digital products. Instead of launching your own YouTube channel, you can offer video creation as a service, using Pictory and ElevenLabs to deliver professional quality content to clients. With Pictory, you can turn their blog posts, social captions, or product descriptions into short-form videos. Add voiceovers using ElevenLabs, which lets you generate ultra-realistic audio in multiple tones and accents. Content creators, coaches, and small businesses are always looking for affordable video editors, and with these AI tools, you don't need to know editing at all. You can deliver entire batches of content with minimal effort and charge per video, per hour, or by package. Another low-effort, high-impact hustle is creating and selling AI-generated ebooks or mini courses. With ChatGPT, you can outline and write a full ebook or guide on just about any topic. Then design the layout using Canva and sell it on Gumroad, Amazon KDP, or Etsy. Niche ideas include productivity tips, niche hobby guides, beginner how-to manuals. You can also convert your ebook into a mini course or digital product bundle and let it generate passive income. Want to sell voiceovers without recording anything yourself? With ElevenLabs, you can generate realistic, human-like voices for podcasts, ads, audiobooks, and YouTube videos. You can clone your own voice or use one of the built-in voices, then offer services on Fiverr, Voices.com, or freelance platforms. It's one of the easiest and most scalable AI side hustles, especially for creators or marketers. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's changing how we earn. These 5 side hustles are beginner-friendly, low-cost, and scalable. And you can start all of them right now, even if you're starting from scratch. Let me know in the comments, which AI side hustle would you try first? And if you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to AI Pioneer, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and good luck building your AI-powered income stream.